Okay, hello everyone. Today we have an Epiphone lespaul gold top standard. You need to change the toggle switch and the output jack. So the toggle switch I'll be using a Hasco from Japan. Then the other one, the switchcraft, is from US. So yeah, as you can see here, there's a broken one. This is a new one. There's a switchcraft output jack. So enjoy the video. I catch back with you at the end of the video. Okay, see you. Bye. Okay, that's all folks. Don't forget to subscribe. You can contact me on 84189951.